Suncourt House by Ashish Patel and Nikhil Patel of Ace Associates incorporates the classic India modern aesthetics replete with modern amenities. The L-shaped form of the house responds to the site context where the public spaces, which is the parking, entrance veranda, foyer, and formal living, faces the busy street that adjoins the house. Entering the house from the east road leads you to the semi-covered parking area. The stone-engraved white steps, along with the small Buddha statues, greets you right at the entrance veranda. The colossal door is adorned with brass detailing and stone embellishment, which makes for a great first impression. Upon entering through the huge main door, you enter the foyer, which overlooks the guest living room adjoining to it and showcases glimpses of the central courtyard. The mesmerizing courtyard features the Varanasi Ghat, which is recreated by having a ghat step profile, and it remains an iconic space forever. An interesting concept brought to life by the dynamic duo. The Suncourt House is inspired by the traditional open-to-sky Indian houses where the sun court is the heart of the house. This brings lighting as well as ventilation to the space. The ghat-shaped water body holds the brass sculpture of Shakti in the middle along with the many bonsai trees. The sun court is covered by high-tech retractable roof system which can be either closed or open as per the seasonal changes and periodical changes. The bright and airy formal living room exudes a sense of refined taste with its plush grey sofas, wooden-cladded roof, and sunlight that seeps in through the tall windows. A traditional swing area that conforms to the India modern element is found here. Vertical fins in the staircase creates a magical play of light and shadow with the assistance of the direct sunlight coming from the open-to-sky courtyard next to it. The master bedroom is fashioned in a charming Mediterranean style with a unique blue concrete flooring against a gorgeous whitewashed interior. The designers also incorporated Indian-style furniture pieces and a raised platform for the seating near the window. They also attached a cozy swing with a small library adjacent to it. The guest room or the card room is uniquely designed to match the playing card theme all over. This is a multi-purpose room which can be also utilized as a guest's bedroom as well as cards playing room during family gatherings. Swathed in a gorgeous blue and grey theme, the modernistic space is exemplified by card posters on the wall, colorful seating, and contemporary lighting pieces. The third master bedroom has an understated elegance to it with a raw metallic furnishing and dark hued theme, whereas the dark raw wood finish is well incorporated with the metallic finish floor.